What's up everybody, it's your girl Rachel and I'm here to show you some of my favorite workout routines. What we're going to be focusing on today is the back and our abs. I know what you're thinking, abs, are we getting down on the floor? No, I'm not getting down on the floor. We're going to stay seated in our chair and it's actually a breathing exercise. I'm going to show you how to do that. Then we're going to begin exercising. We're going to do each one for 1 minute. When I first started, I only did it for 50 seconds each. And I did not wear wrist weights and I got a massive workout. It was great. So the stomach exercise we're gonna be doing is simple. You take a deep belly breath in, you blow it all completely out, and then you suck your stomach in. And you wanna hold it for as long as you can. 5 to 10 seconds will do great because we're gonna do them in between each workout. So the first one we're gonna be doing is called the bent elbow sky reach. I had to name these myself, okay? So go ahead and laugh. But it's simple. You keep your arms in line with your shoulders and you're just gonna reach up to the sky. Very simple. You guys ready? Begin. And I know you might be wobbly and all over the place. I was too. It takes a lot of practice. That's why start without using the wrist weights. That's how I started because I had to get my balance down. You just want to keep going. I'm sure at this point you're starting to feel the burn and we're just gonna push through that. These workouts will also, have you ever been sitting in your chair and you have like a little bit of a roll hanging over the back? This is what that's gonna tackle. Mine's gotten so much better. Almost done. Good job. Okay, so let's do that stomach exercise. Deep breath in, out. Suck in. The next one is called the prayer. That's the only thing I could think of. We're gonna put our hands together and we're gonna reach up to the sky. And come down towards the side like. And for this one, I can't talk. I have to really focus my balance. So when you guys ready? We're about to begin. This is the hardest one. And because I don't have triceps, I push my hands together and that's what helps guide them upward without using the triceps. Keep going. I know it's burning. Push through it. Ten more seconds. Oh my gosh. As you can see, those are a little bit difficult for me, but before I couldn't even do them. So deep breath in, out, suction. Okay, now we're gonna do push rows, and all I want you to do is act like you're pushing your wheelchair. And let's begin. I like doing it as fast as I can. This is a great exercise because, especially if you're using wrist weights, because like my nephews, when I'm telling them to not do something, they'll go run into the grass thinking I can't chase them. Little do they know, I've gotten strong enough to where I could chase their little booties and tag them. Or playing tag because that's their favorite. All right, that was a full minute. Deep breath in, out, suction. Next exercise, arms out to the side, and you're just gonna be making circles. Call this one the windmill, and let's begin. This one's good. If you're like, if you feel wobbly, this is a good exercise to do to work on balance and core control. I use my head as a weight, so when my arms come forward, I lean back, and when they're behind me, if you could tell, I'm like rocking back and forth, and it helps a lot. Almost done. Hang in there. Hang in there. Push through the burn. I'm gonna have to get a bit bigger timer. Okay, 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! I know you felt that one because I did. Deep breath in, out, suction. Perfect. These ones I call the backwards flaps. I was thinking like bird wings, I don't know. Again, hands out beside you, and you're just gonna wanna do the, bring them behind you as far as you can. Every time I bring them in behind me, I lean forward with my head, and it helps with the balance. You guys ready? Begin. All these are gonna do, they're great for muscle toning, for fat loss, but they're amazing practice for balance. Amazing practice for balance, that's for sure. And maybe you can only do it for 30 seconds. That's okay. You build up on time. That's what I do. Is I always tell people, keep leveling up, keep leveling up. Once this gets easy, move up to the next thing. Add 10 more seconds, add some wrist weights. Keep going, get stronger. I'm so sorry. Hopefully you can't hear my dog barking. Almost done, almost done. 9, 8, good job. Woo! I felt that one. Deep breath in, out, suction. Okay, this one I call the straight arm forward clap. I also had to name them so I could remember which ones they were. This one's a little difficult, but again, use your head as balance. We're gonna basically clap our hands in front of us. Get it? Okay, ready? Begin. This one's really good practice for balance. So sorry. I might have to lock my dogs outside while I do these videos. Keep going, you guys. Harley! When I first started these, I struggled. I struggled so much and I wanted to give up, but I was like, I really want to get rid of that fat that's on my back. 10, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, let's take a deep breath in, out, suction. The next one we're going to be doing is similar to the last one, except we're going to be lifting our hands upwards. You guys ready? Begin. These are another one that was difficult because without triceps, I'm building the muscles and I'm manipulating also by throwing my weight around. Sorry. I'm very sore at the end of the week because my workouts are killer lately. I might not be able to make it the minute. Ugh. Push. 20 more seconds. It's okay to take a break. 10, 9, 8. Oh, woo! I've been killing my workouts this week, killing them. And obviously my body needs to recover. Sorry, let me catch my breath. Okay, deep breath in, out, suction. Next exercise we're going to be doing is our arms are going to be bent at the elbows, slightly low, and we're just going to bring them in and out. My arms are burning. You ready? Begin. And again, I'm using my head as an anchor to keep me upright. And I'm telling you, I know this is difficult and you're flopping all over. That's okay. That's how I started. And now look at how much control I have. And I have 0 ab function. This is going to get rid of that roll that hangs over the back of your chair. It's going to strengthen your back. It's going to be easier to push around. And it works out like your shoulders and stuff also. 10 more seconds. Killing it. You're killing it. Done. Woo! Deep breath in. Out. Suction. Now these next 3 workouts, they are difficult. They are the hardest ones, but not like they're hard because how you have to hold your arms. You're gonna keep your arms out like this, and it's hard because I don't have triceps. I'm gonna take my weights off for this. That way I could show you better. Okay. Windshield wipers, you guys ready? We're gonna just go back and forth between each arm. Ready? Begin. This one's easiest to do without my wrist weights. And I am pretty much, because I can pull my hands in, I'm pulling them in hard so they'll bounce back out. Because even if we're not flexing the muscle, we're still moving the muscle, and that's still burning fat. And it's still creating muscle. So even if you have to manipulate your body to do something, it strengthens the muscles around the muscles that may not be working as well, and it just gets easier and easier. You guys are doing so good, and we're almost done. There's only 2 more after this. You can do it. I know you can. You guys are killing it. We're almost done. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Deep breath in, out, suck in. This next one is similar to that one. We're gonna have the same thing, but we're gonna do it at the same time. Both arms at the same time. Ready? Begin. These were the hardest for me to do, but I can't believe how much easier they've gotten. So a little bit about me. I'm a C4, 5, 6, kind of 7. That's my function. I don't have ab function. And I have just been working really hard to build as much muscle everywhere I can to gain more independence, you know, what we all want. Keep going. Almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Deep breath in, out, suck in. After I do this exercise, I'm gonna lift up my shirt so you can see my stomach, because I want you to see how much I've gained back in function from doing this exercise. But this next exercise, it's similar to what we were doing, but it's most difficult because I don't have triceps. So you're gonna have your elbows out in front of you and you're gonna push forward. You ready? Begin. This one's really difficult. My triceps spasm a little bit, and one arm has a tiny bit of function, but nothing to write home to mom about. But I'm gonna keep working on this. Maybe gain as much muscle back as I can. 30 seconds, you guys. Keep going. Finish strong. Finish strong. You're gonna be so proud of yourself when you're done. Great job. Now we're going to do our last stomach exercise and you are done. So this is why it's so important. I want you to focus right here. I could not suck in my stomach like that before. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in more videos, please follow us. Go to the group, either contact me through Facebook at Racheal Tough as Nails, or go into the group Zouk Fitness. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Great job, y'all.